Proceeding onward and forward, we're going to switch from a column chart to a bar chart, which means nothing more than go the other direction. And this one is coffee bean, what's it say? Coffee bean sales by city. And I had said here, if the rows, the axis rows overlap, I'll show you what to do about it, but we won't worry too much. Coffee bean sales by city. I want only coffee bean. I want coffee bean, all the coffee beans by city. You need to select equivalent rows. Equivalent rows. So even though cell A3 has nothing in it, I'm going to select all the way across A3 to F3. Then I'll press down and hold the control key with my handy dandy left index finger, and I'll do the coffee beans. I know, but I want to teach you that technique. What if I said containers or condiments? Condiments, then you'd have to use the click, control, click technique. So, anyway, I'll do that. I'm not putting the totals in there. You see, no totals this time, just insides. You can only put the totals or the insides, not both. And then we're going to insert a bar chart. And bar chart says, visually compare values across a few categories. Does that sound familiar? When the chart shows duration or the category text is long. Oh, our category text is a little bit long, so maybe that's good. Or they said, or else if it's shows time. So bar charts tend to show time, don't have to. And again, you get to choose either the 2D on the first column or the 3D in the first column, but not the multicolored ones. That's not us. And I'll drag that down into place, and we'll name. Now, I did condiments. I don't care if you did coffee beans, whatever. We're just practicing anyway. And this is then number 3. This is chart number 3. Number 3, condiments by city. Well, it named itself coffee beans, and I added by city, and mine named itself condiments. So whichever one you have. Notice that this format chart title showed up here on the right hand side, this pane. And remember, we had categories. Last week we started looking at this pane. We have title options and text options, and there's another row of choices underneath that, and we're on the fill, so we could fill the background or fill the border or make a border. Let's we're on that one. Let's just make a border. Let's make a solid line border around the title. See what I did? Because I'm on title. When I double clicked on there, it just popped up. Yeah. I'm not asking you to do any of those things for this class, but if you want to play with it, have at it. And you notice how my text names were pretty long, and so that worked out well. But look at how my numbers got kind of squished. So let's scroll up here, and on the right hand side I have some notes here. How to tilt the horizontal axis on the bar charts. Again, I'm not asking this of you, requiring it for the test, but we'll go down and click on that horizontal axis. We'll choose axis options. We'll choose this one that gives us alignment. And then you could choose where you want the text to appear. And what we're going to do is a custom angle, like 45 degrees custom angle. So let me zoom back out. That's in. Let's go out. We'll go down and over a little at a time here. And now click the axis. Click the axis. I double clicked on it and it formatted and it opened the pane, or I could have clicked that. I think the plus sign, I think would have done it too. But anyway, I double clicked on it, and I want the size and properties, double click down there on the axis, size and properties here, and in the alignment then I'm going to do for text, I don't want to change the direction of the writing, I just want to do a custom angle, and I'll put 45 degrees, and yeah, that's good. Yeah, close enough. I changed mine actually. Instead of plus 45, I made mine minus 45, and now the writing is going up from the bottom. I think I like that better actually. I appear to be hung or something. I'm sorry? My computer is not happy with me. Okay, now am I on? I'm recording. Since I'm here, I'm just going to go up and, I don't know, I'm going to choose another chart style. Why isn't it letting me touch some? Is my Excel hung? I'm on recording, so I can do that. Well, I guess I won't do a chart style on this one, but you choose one. Go up to chart style. Oh, choose a color. Change a color. I don't know what's wrong with I'll have to close this again and reopen it, but you go ahead and do that for a second. Yeah, change the chart style and change the color. Just one.